Today, I'm super excited. We've got Howard Penrose here on the show with us. You've got over 30 years of experience in predictive maintenance testing, and you're also the president of MotorDoc LLC. From my understanding, you've also got a PhD, so you've got quite the breadth of experience working in this industry. You know, I know that you own the company MotorDoc. It's a veteran-owned small business that provides industrial and commercial consulting, training, technology for electrical and mechanical systems and reliability. You know, I also know that you're on the chair for the SMRP for the years of 2017 to 2018. Howard, huge welcome to you here on the show. I'm super excited to be chatting with you.
Oh, thank you very much, and I'm very glad to be here.
Well, great. I'm super excited. You know, I know quite a bit about your background. I've been following you and your journey for quite some time now, but I know that all of our listeners may not have that experience. Maybe you could start us off a little bit with your background and how you got started in this industry and field.
I actually got into this industry deliberately. And it started in high school, and when I became part of the Vocational Industrial Clubs of America and got involved in lubrication technology as a chemical technician at the oil labs at Amoco Labs in Naperville. I then joined the Navy, and my worst subject in school, in A school, was electric motors. So I don't like failing. So I, of course, made that my best subject. Something I became known for, especially when I went to the Navy. And within the first year, started running the motor repair shop, taking care of up to, I think it was 38 ships in our battle group. And I became a motor repair journeyman, the youngest in the Navy, by the time I was 20. In that, I learned balancing, vibration, mechanical systems, pumps, fans, field balancing, and a number of other technologies well before they were really popular. I was approached by the University of Illinois to come in and do some industrial engineering courses, and also as an adjunct professor, but also to be the senior research engineer for the Energy Resources Center. I finally took the leap and got back into consulting on my own. In parallel with that, I'd been involved with IEEE on a variety of standards groups since 1994. So I had been in touch or talked to or worked with the top insulation and machine design folks in the world.
Yeah, you had some pretty big accomplishments in this space, in this field. What are all the different ways that our listeners can continue following you on your journey and learn from you? Where can they go to connect with you?
LinkedIn under MotorDoc, and or my name, Howard Penrose. My website, motordoc.com, MOTORDOC, not dot, but doc.com, which links to a lot of different things, lots of free papers and everything else. And then Facebook, if you want to see a lot of heavy weights being moved.
I've seen some of those. They look great. Thanks so much, Howard.